Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what I stopped from last time, where I stopped off, where I talk about where you really need to focus. So, like I said before, believe it or not, it comes down to those relationships. I just spoke to a young lady that said she actually got a phone call from a government buyer saying, "Hey, I've got a deal for you. Can you do XYZ?" And it was basically within the cleaning space. Can you come in? Can you do it? Her answer was yes. She was there on the spot. So the one thing you really want to emphasize and spend plenty of time thinking about it, rewriting it, and just really focusing. What is it that you want your cleaning business or your business that you're looking to pitch to the government to be known for? The main areas are usually customer service, type of equipment you use. Can you save them time? Are you going to save them money? Is it going to be about health? But because so many people are talking about health, cleaning for health, you can't just throw that phrase out there. You've got to give it some meat. You've got to back it up with something. So the best thing you can do is make sure that you talk about what you want the results to be. Really focus on the results of what you want when you're looking at having this particular statement. Name your program and then talk about 3 things that you're going to save them. Time. Are you going to save them money? Are you going to provide some type of benefit that's going to resonate with your customer? So think about that. Make sure you put in your marketing, in your elevator pitch, in your capability statement, and in your introduction letter. Now, if you don't know what any of those are, then guess what? You need to come to my free masterclass, my Gov Cleaning Masterclass, How to Win Your First Government Cleaning Contract. I go into that and all other areas, from how to market to the government buyers, meeting the basic requirements, and how to find the bidding solicitations. If you'd like to know more, then click to register. I'd love to see you there. Bring your pen, your paper, bring your energy, and until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.